And, oh well, I guess they can't handle it. She shows their own ignorance and stuff, and I don't know.
That is, what a torturous life that must be, dude.
Oh, man.
And I feel sorry for that dude, because it's like, he's not gay, he's a girl.
He's a girl.
It's just so, just.
That's what you are.
And doesn't want to be a girl. Just a sissy, a third-level sissy.
Third level.
Just on the highest level on the sissy meter. It's just like, it's just like, and just to be tortured like that, and just want to express himself with woman songs.
Yeah.
I got to say,
yeah, singing the woman songs.
And it's like, you know, guys, it's like how real guys change the lyrics to like men's, you know, it's raining stuff. Yeah, hallelujah, it's raining things. And it's all wetter here. It's wet out here. Rough and tough, it's wet outside. It's raining things. Oh!
You gotta change the words to this. Wow. It's raining stuff.
Let yourself get absolutely, yeah. It's raining. Oh! Whoa! Ow! Ow! Ouch and ooh! Watch out, roll for Jesus! And he had to do what he had to do.
Nothing about, man.
Rearrange the style so that each and every brother can get out there and do woo! It's raining stuff. Oh, it's raining things. Watch out.
Holy. It's raining stuff.
Hey, wait, let's get to Lady Gaga. I want to hear her and her wisdom on this Arizona illegal immigration bill.
I didn't used to be brave. I wasn't afraid or any law that have ever made you feel like you don't belong.
You dummy. Shut up. She's fucking hefty bag and trying to be profound.
This is for the spirit of all of you. I dedicate this song. This is for the love I have for all Mexicans.
Oh.
This song is for world peace.
I just want to send out something for the dignity of all Mexican people.
The heart and soul of all mankind. That's not your thing.
Any people or any law that looks down on a certain type of people, this is for you.
Put your peace signs in the air. Put them up. Put them high up in the air.
Yes.
High up in the air. Higher. Yes. Everyone after me. I had to talk about the great people that have ever lived. Jesus Christ, John F. Kennedy, Martin Luther King, Malcolm X. This is my way of carrying on their message. This is for you. We love you all. But won't write a song that would dip her sails
She won't write an Axis peace song.
No.
She's gonna sing that and say it. This is I love people, and then meh. Oh, Jesus.
Popeye Gaga. Ra ra akaka, ra ra akaka, ra ra akaka.
South Bay.
Another day, it's okay to start anew.